Hello. So today I'll show you how to fix this regular paper jam on any HP printer. So today I'm working with HP Pro M130 FW printer. So what happens is that this printer jams. Anytime I try to print anything, it will just show paper jam. But the real problem is not that the paper is jammed inside, it's just that it's a false error, and I'm going to show you how to correct it. Now, it can be either that there is a paper jammed inside. If you check and there is no paper jammed inside, and it keeps happening over and over again, so what you need to do is what I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to show you what to do. You can see it shows copy, and then after it shows paper jam. It has not picked any paper, and there is no paper inside before. If I shut down the printer and restart it again, it won't show any error until I try to print or make a copy. That is only when the error will show. So I'm going to show you what to do. Now, this is where the problem is on. I'm going to open this and then remove the cartridges and the drum units. So this is where the problem is from. You can see this is the pickup roller. Now the pickup roller is fine. There's no issue with the pickup roller. What you're going to do, you're going to roll the pickup roller down. Roll it down this way. Look at the direction of my hand. You're going to roll it this way, forward towards you. You're going to bring it forward towards you until it can't move again. Make sure you keep pushing it down, rolling it down until it is hard and stuck and you can't push it anymore. That is the correct position. So I've been able to do that right now. I'm going to fix back my drum unit and my cartridge, then I'm going to check again. You notice that the problem is solved. It's not like there is paper inside or there is paper jammed anywhere. So I'm going to fix in my paper and do a test print. In case you haven't done already, like and subscribe to this channel. I have good videos on how to fix all kinds of office equipment: laptop, printers, scanners, CCTV, PABX, the list goes on. So I'm going to make a copy now, and you'll notice that it's going to pick the paper normally. You can see showing printed, and let's pick the paper. You can see that the problem is solved. So the problem is not actually that there is a paper jammed inside. It's just that it's a mechanical issue. The gear. It's just the gear that has issue, and the problem is solved. I'm going to do one more for you to see. So that is it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you some other time.